System.io versus Podia. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about two all-in-one digital marketing softwares that a lot of people are using nowadays because they are in more demand. So, if you're looking for a good all-in-one platform to help you sell your online courses or digital products, System.io and Podia are two great choices. Now, both the platforms offer a range of features to help you create, market, and sell your products online. Whether you're an experienced entrepreneur or just starting, it's important to choose the right platform that suits your needs. So, to start things off, let's get an overview of System.io. Now, System.io is an all in one online business platform providing entrepreneurs and companies with a lot of tools to sell digital products and manage their online businesses successfully. It offers many features and functionalities like a CRM, a website to help you create a blog, sales funnel, digital stores. You get great email marketing equipment. You can set your very own automations, have different assets like coupons, sell courses, and get different types of affiliate programs running as well. Now, with its user-friendly interface and comprehensive suite of tools, System.io aims to simplify the process of online business management and help users generate more leads and sales. Now, features of System.io are also quite unmatched because it offers many powerful features, making it a versatile and comprehensive online platform. Now, some of its features include sales funnel construction that you can find right here in its website section, where it provides an intuitive drag and drop funnel builder that allows users to create effective sales funnels to drive conversions and maximize revenue. You can also go ahead and get on with newsletter and campaigns which help you in email marketing, where the platform comes equipped with a robust capabilities including automation, segmentation, and even personalization, which enables users to build and nurture relationships with their customers. You can also go with course creations where you can create your very own course, sell it as a video, PDF, quiz to enhance the learning experience for students. And finally, you have your very own affiliate dashboard where you can set up and manage your own affiliate programs, enabling yourself to expand your reach and increase sales through incentivized referrals. So it's pretty cool that an all in one digital marketing platform brings you so much things to work with. Now, Podia, on the other hand, is an online platform that provides creators with necessary tools to sell online courses, memberships, and digital downloads. Now, with its extremely user friendly interface and robust features, Podia aims to simplify the creation and sale of digital products. The platform offers key features such as course creation, email marketing, website customization, and membership site creation, making it a popular choice among entrepreneurs and online educators. Now, the key features of Podia involve website, email, online stores, and a whole lot more. So first of all, you have course creation that you can actually do for yourself. You can create online courses, host them easily. The platform supports multimedia content such as videos, quizzes, PDFs to enhance online learning experience. Then you can also move over to email marketing, where Podia has robust email marketing capabilities, including automation, drip campaigns, and segmentation, enabling users to communicate with and engage their audience effectively. You can also get website customization, where Podia offers customizable templates and a user friendly website editor that you can use to create stunning and personalized websites to showcase your product and brands. And then finally, you have membership site creation, where users can create membership sites to offer exclusive content and recurring revenue opportunities. Now, when it comes to the pricings for both of these, obviously their features do work well against each other, but the main thing that does, bring a victor to us is the pricing. So, the first thing I would say is System.io wins in pricing because System.io provides you with a totally free plan that gives you all of the features that you can get in System.io, and then obviously the plans increase with $27, $47, and $97. Now, Podia, on the other hand, has different pricings. You have the mover or the shaker. Now, the mover is $33 per month, And the shaker is $75 a month, which is the yearly billing, but on the monthly, it's 39 and 89. So, obviously, these are things you're going to want to keep in mind. And another thing that Podia does not have a free free plan. It does have a free 30-day trial where you're going to need to have to add a credit card, but System.io won't provide you with any of that. So, to give you a final verdict, if you are a beginner starting their journey off in the whole region and area of all in one digital marketing, then I would definitely suggest you straight to System.io because of its extremely easy user interface, a very small learning curve, and very robust features to actually associate into your business and become a very successful business as you're starting off. Podia, on the other hand, is for people who like to get more creative, people who already have a proper business that's up and running, and people who actually want more templates, themes, and designs in their marketing suite. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.